Hey, this is a little dark, I think, maybe. But anyway, it's early in the morning, 6 o'clock a.m. And this is my 6 a.m. post. I'm just coming to you to ask you two questions. Number one, today I'll be talking about revitalization of the human service professional. That's the person who works with people, who makes a difference in the lives of people, who try to do the things that it really matters versus the everyday mundane things that happens in sometimes while you're doing your job. And I had a question for you. Number one, what kind of empowerment do you have for yourself? What do you do to keep yourself on your edge? Keep your edge sharp. Let that sink in for a second. Because, if you don't have something that gets you sharp on the edge, then what happens is you start to get really, really dull. And you start coming to work, and the next thing you know, you're dealing with all kind of problems with your coworkers. You're dealing with all kind of situations with your management, maybe a supervisor, and it could be you. Maybe you just feel burnt out. Well, in order to revitalize, you have to look into some things that peak performers do. Peak performers, they don't really look at what everybody else is doing. They actually get in front. They lead the field. They're the kinds that just look at it with a different attitude, a different mindset. So this particular area is something that I really, really enjoy. It's one of those areas where I tell people, hey, listen, if you feel like you're burnt out, just count to 10. And let's go back to the first day that you started that job. Let's go back to the first day you opened your business. Let's go back to the first time you wrote up your plan or your idea and how you were so excited. So many people get so excited about something, but they don't stay excited. So you got to understand that that's a mindset. That's a way to keep yourself from being like at a 3 in your day to being a 10. How can you change your state? Your state of mind being, your state of being. See, God has given us this amazing ability that we could think about something and all of a sudden it could change how we feel on the inside. There's not a lot of animals and other things that does that. So when people say, oh, you're an animal, we can be like animals, but we're a little bit more than that. So I encourage you right now to take out some time, get a blank sheet of paper for today, and get revitalized. I want you to tap back into what makes it so awesome for you today. What is it that you're so satisfied for today? What is it that you are so thankful for today? If you start thinking about what you're thankful for, if you start thinking about what it was that just sparked you when you got up in the morning for that first day and you got into walk into that business, or you got to walk into that office, or you got to hang out with those people, whatever it was, or you got to make that difference to the people that you knew were like needing your services. If you can tap back into that right now, in your mind, not even before you write it on the paper, but I just want you to have the paper because that's going to help you remember. But go ahead and tap into it. Take 5 minutes right now, get a blank sheet of paper. And I actually think you should get a journal, because if you go on this journey with me, by the time you finish, I will guarantee you that your life will change. Your life will change, and the people around you will change, and the things that you do will just be better. So this is Dwayne Ross, and I'm coming at you from Revitalizing the Human Service Professional. I think it's an awesome opportunity for anybody, any organization to tap into the greatness that is inside each and every one of you, and actually tap into the greatness of your organization, because your organization really, really needed you. They wanted you. They hired you. You started it. You did all that because you wanted to make a difference. So if you're feeling burnt out, if you're feeling kind of lost, you're feeling like, I'm not really sure what I'm doing here, it's time to reassess, and it's time to also tap back into your greatness. Tap into that thing that gives you the juice. You hear that? The juice. You got the juice. You got it, brother. You got it, sister. Well, yeah, you still have it. It's just kind of been kind of mushed down a little bit. So we're going to shake it up, stir it up, and energize it. Thank you. This is Dwayne Ross. Don't forget, take time at my blog, DwayneRoss.com. That's DWAYNEROSS.com. And live your best life now. I heard that on Joel Osteen's, but the real deal is this. Tap into your greatness and go after your dreams. All right? See you on the next